There are so many ways to make money online with affiliate marketing. Twitter happens to be one of the best. That's why inside this video, I'll be giving you the complete Twitter affiliate marketing tutorial so you can start making money online with Twitter. Also, I'll be throwing in a bonus tweet method, so stay to the end of this video so you don't miss out on that. David here, and welcome back to the channel where we connect online entrepreneurs like yourself to the best money-making methods on the internet. Before we get going, make sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on notifications to help a fellow hustler out. Okay, enough talk. Let's go ahead now and jump inside the tutorial. There are 4 things we need to accomplish in order to start making sales on Twitter. Number 1 is we need to grow an audience. Number 2, we need to find a product. Number 3, we need to tweet about that product to get engagement. And number 4, we need to close sales. Let's go ahead and start off with growing your audience on Twitter. When you're just starting off on Twitter, there's really 3 ways to start growing your account to get affiliate sales. And those 3 ways are number 1, commenting, number 2, storytelling, and number 3, quote retweets. So that is what we're going to be covering inside this section on how to grow on Twitter. So first off, we start off with comments. Now, you can comment all day long, all you want, but if your comments aren't valuable and they aren't adding something extra to the tweet that you're commenting on, then it's just a waste of time. Look at the examples right here. The first example says, "Great advice, thanks." That's all it says. That is not a very good example of how to comment on a tweet in order to get people interested in clicking on your profile and to start following you and clicking on your affiliate links and all that. What you need to be doing is you need to be adding extra information to that tweet that you're commenting on, like the bottom example right here. This is a comment that I created, and it said, "If people can learn from you, relate to you, and earn from you, they will become your fans." So what I did is I took that person's tweet and I added something extra to it. Here's a pro tip. Also style your comments in the way a tweet would look. So I start off here with a hook. It says, "If people can." Then I have 3 bullet points, and then I end with a call to action or a conclusion. And that is how I like to style my comments in order to get the most engagement on those comments. And then I can start getting people back to my profile, and then I can start selling them on affiliate products. So comments is a great way to grow your account when you need followers if you're going to want to start making money on Twitter. Second is stories. So when you create stories and you tell stories on Twitter through tweets, you really get a lot of engagement, especially if you're brand new. That is one of the best ways to engage an audience and to start growing on Twitter is to tell your story. So here's a story that I actually did as a comment early on in my account. It said, "I'm in my 20s now. Have I wasted my time partying, playing video games, binging on Netflix daily? No. Instead, I've been making money building courses and networking, so don't waste this opportunity." So as you can see, this is a story, but it's based in bullet points. So I'm mixing style with a story, and that is a super way to grow your account if you want to start getting affiliate sales. Let's move on. So now let's talk about quote retweets. So quote retweets are when you retweet somebody's tweet, but you add extra information to that tweet, making it original. So as you can see here, I said, "Find someone you look up to, respect them, learn from them, grow from them." So what I did is I took the main subject from the tweet that I was retweeting and I added some extra information to really make it pop. That way it keeps my brand solid and it gets more attention onto me and what I have to say about that tweet. That is a great way to grow your audience if you want to make sales. So make sure that you are creating story tweets to grow your account, especially if you want to start making some money with affiliate commissions. Now, let's go ahead and move on to talk about finding a product to affiliate on Twitter. So when you're looking for a product to promote on Twitter, there are 3 things that you want to take into consideration. Number 1, the product needs to be high converting. So the sales page copy needs to take somebody from interested into clicking that purchase button. Second, there needs to be some hype around the product. So it can't be a product that nobody knows about. There needs to be some kind of recognition with the audience that you are promoting it to and the product owner. Lastly, it needs to have good commissions. You don't want to be promoting a product that only makes you $5. You want to be promoting a product that can have the opportunity to make you tons of money in the long run, especially if it has recurring commissions. So now let's go ahead and talk about 3 places that I like to promote products from right now. So the first place that I like to find affiliate products to promote is Gumroad. Now with Gumroad, they don't actually have an affiliate marketplace, but they have individual sellers making courses and selling them on the Gumroad platform. And then you can go ahead and reach out to those product creators and you can ask them for an affiliate link. So if I was going to go on to Twitter and I wanted to say promote a product that had to do with Twitter, I could go ahead and type in Twitter and we could go ahead and look around. So right here at the top, these are the best selling courses. They're the ones that have sold the most and that are really converting well. So Gumroad puts those at the top. So I would actually suggest marketing and becoming affiliates for these products up here at the top because those products have the most recognition with the people on Twitter. So that's exactly what I do if I want to promote a Gumroad product. Now let's go ahead and talk about another platform that I like to use when creating affiliate links and promoting products, and that is Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is actually an online marketplace that contains tons of courses, but they're really, really cheap. But how you make a bunch of money in the back end is because they have these upsells. And so you can make money from those upsells because your affiliate link gets tracked through that funnel. So this is Warrior Plus. I love to use this. Right here, as you can see, this is the dashboard of Warrior Plus. And to the left here, they have all of these different products that you can actually go ahead and promote. So if I wanted to promote any of these products, I would go to my affiliate dashboard, and then I would go to offers so that I could find some products to promote on Twitter. So the products at the top are actually the ones that are selling the most right now. So I would definitely recommend promoting the products at the top because those are the ones that have the most hype around them right now. But I would also caution you to look for the refund rate because that will tell you whether or not a product is good. So as you can see, this only has 1% refund rate for Stuff My Inbox Professional, and that is perfect. So you want something with a low refund rate and you want it to be at the top of the affiliate offers so you know that you have hype around the product that you're promoting. Now, the last affiliate marketing program that I recommend promoting is actually called Legendary Marketer. Now, this is something that I have been getting into myself, and I really love how they break down the training and how they really teach you how to be a legendary marketer. So it's not just about affiliate marketing. This is teaching you how to create courses, how to launch masterminds, how to be a consultant. It's all packaged up into this membership platform. And you have the potential to make a lot of money with Legendary Marketer. So the front end price, you get paid, I think it's about $18 for the smallest product that they offer, but then you can go ahead and you can make up to $2,500 for promoting one of their products in the back end of their platform. So I definitely recommend Legendary Marketer as my #1 choice for promoting an affiliate product on Twitter. So now that you have an idea of what products to promote on Twitter, now let's go ahead and talk about how do you actually do affiliate marketing on Twitter? How do you create tweets that are going to sell those products? Well, let me go ahead and show you. So tweets that sell, I have 3 different styles for you. #1 is a results tweet. This kind of tweet gives some kind of measurement of your results with a product. So say that you bought a Twitter course and then you were able to learn from that Twitter course and grow your following to say 500 followers, well then that would be results. And so the tweet would say something along the lines of, I grew my account from 0 to 500 followers in a matter of weeks. Let me show you how, learn here, and then you drop your affiliate link to that product. Secondly, there are the value threads. This is where you put together a thread of tweets, one after the other, and you offer tons of value. So it's basically like a mini ebook, right? So you offer tons of value, and then at the very end, you drop your affiliate link and you say, if you want to learn more, click here to learn from this product. And lastly is the bonus tweet. Remember at the beginning of the video where I said I was gonna show you a bonus Twitter method that's gonna make you more sales? Well, keep watching because it's coming up really soon. So here's an example of a results tweet that I created in order to sell my own product, but you can definitely use an affiliate product with this method. So my results tweet said, I personally make this amount of money, $300 to $500 selling notebooks on Amazon. Don't even have to log into my account. It's completely passive. Let me show you step by step. Check it out here. Link dropped inside the tweet. So what I recommend doing is I recommend starting off with some kind of result that you have achieved. And then I go ahead and I talk about 3 or so benefits of doing this method. So if I was going to do this for an affiliate marketing product, I could say I made $1,000 in a month with affiliate marketing. I didn't use YouTube. I didn't even have a website, and it took me less than 2 hours a day. If you want to learn more, check out the link down below. So that's exactly what I would do if I wanted to create a results tweet. So now let's go ahead and talk about that value thread for creating some income from affiliate marketing using threads. So what I like to do with my threads when I want to promote an affiliate product is I like to start off with one tweet that has a huge hook at the beginning, and then I say a thread so that people know to click and to open it up and start reading. I like to do mine in steps. So as you can see, I have step 1 here. If I go back, step 2, these are all just teaching people how to sell blank books on Amazon. And at the very end, I plug my course, but you could actually just plug an affiliate product with this method. So the key takeaway with value threads is you want to give away tons of value. You want to teach people how to do a method, and then you want to make them interested in learning more so that you drop your affiliate link at the bottom. So if they followed you through your journey of writing the thread and they're reading through it, then they really are curious and they want to start buying something from you to get more information. And that's where you drop your link at the very end. Now let's go ahead and talk about that bonus Twitter method that I was talking about earlier at the beginning of the video, and that is through creating tweets that actually offer bonuses. So here is an example of what I'm talking about. I said in this tweet, I'm giving away my course to celebrate this person's launch. And then I say, I'm giving away these products to the first 5 people who like this tweet, comment interested below, and buy this person's course through me. Details will be sent via DM after you comment below. So the whole method with this is you're offering something as a bonus to incentivize people to buy from you. So that's the whole goal, is you're giving something away so that people will buy from your affiliate link instead of buying through the creator's link or from some other affiliate. This works extremely well. Let me go ahead and break it down to you as we move into our next section on how to close sales. So closing sales is a huge part of doing affiliate marketing on Twitter. And when you're offering a bonus in exchange for somebody buying through your link, it's really easy to close those sales. So this is how I do it. You've already seen the tweet before in the previous slide. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you what the message looks like. So what I did here is I said, here are the details about the offer that you commented on, because I reached out to them via DM after they commented down below on this one right here, this tweet, promoting the course and saying exactly what they're going to get if they buy through my link. Then I went ahead and I said, if you buy this from my affiliate link, I'm going to give you this and this for free once I verify your purchase. So that is how you close sales. You give them an offer and they either choose to buy or they choose not to buy. And what you've done is you've already broken down the barrier by offering value, by saying, look, you're going to get these products from me if you buy through my affiliate link. That takes away so much of the stress of buying, because now they're interested not only in the product that you're promoting, but they're interested in your bonuses as well. So that is a pro tip for selling and making sales with affiliate marketing on Twitter. So now you know the complete blueprint for making money with affiliate marketing on Twitter. You need to start by growing your audience, and you need to find a product to promote, then you need to start tweeting about that product, and then you need to close sales in the back end by offering bonuses. That is the complete blueprint for making money with affiliate marketing on Twitter. If you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, check out the videos that are coming up on my left right now, and go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell, because I am offering tons more valuable content on making money online, affiliate marketing, and growing your social media accounts. I will see you guys in the next video.